Guess where we are? You already know it's the thrift store. Specifically, this is the American Cancer Society Discovery Shop in my own stomping grounds of Columbus, Ohio. I'm here today filming the video for them, like a short form video. This YouTube video isn't sponsored, but I figured since I'm here and I have the store to myself, might as well show you around. I kinda love. Okay, come with me. I'm looking at the skirts and check this out. Tulips. I'm not really looking for anything specific, kind of just seeing where the spirit takes me. And of course I have a full basket already, and I've barely even looked at anything. I'm just so silly and kooky and wild. Two-piece set. Have you ever seen such a beautiful sight? Squiggly wiggly dress. I gotta put you on my body. I hate to say it. What am I talking about? I love to say it. Are we seeing this? Are we seeing this? Are we seeing this? Are we seeing this? Two-piece set of dreams? I might have to try this on. Tiny vest. Do I dare attempt the forbidden vest on a vest? What do we think? This Discovery Shop especially gets amazing vintage clothing and jewelry. I'm talking estate jewelry, costume jewelry, shell crab, flying pigs. It's like going to the best estate sale ever without having to wake up at 6 in the morning. I mean, come on. Is this not the most precious little necklace? Are you seeing this? Are you getting this? I mean, this is cute, but what if? Hear me out. $3. Good day, gentlemen. At ease. Sorry about that. You're coming home with me. But maybe also you. I might just get all of these. Shoe time. I kind of love these. Picks up the shoes that are closest resembling the shoes she's already wearing. Boring. These little square toe heels. Hello. I don't know what it is about a cummerbund that just really gets me going. Hand-thrown ceramic vessels. I don't know. I can't tell if it's a plate slash bowl or the thing you put under a planter. Either way, I'm getting them because they're only $6. I can't. I didn't know they had sewing patterns. Cute. Business sack. Why are the kids' patterns always so much cuter? Like, would you rather rock a jaunty little child's unlined jacket and bell-bottom pants set? Or Mrs. dress or top and skirt? I've spied the fabric stash, and let me tell you, they got horses. Uh-oh, I can feel the horse girl champing at the bit to come out. Were you a horse girl or a wolf girl? Me? I was a cat girl. Wait a minute. This fabric with this little seed packet pattern? I feel like I've seen this in my dreams. This reminds me of that, I think it's Tyler McGillivray. They have a dress right now with seed packet pattern on it that looks like this. I blacked out. I'm getting lost in the sauce. Whoa. Sorry. I love these cartoonishly big firecrackers. Feels like something Oogie Boogie would throw at you in the Oogie Boogie boss fight of Kingdom Hearts 1. You know? Wow. Now that is a sleeve. Two-piece wedding set. There's so much good art. Yeah. I mean, come on. What's the point of these guys? Hold on. Oh, why have I done this? There's just so much good stuff. Swish, 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 swish. I kind of grabbed this dress as a joke, but it's actually very cute. Change the camera angle for censorship. But I was very excited about this little top. 100% silk, high neckline tank top, but as you can see, not for me. This pretty little baby doesn't fit. But this one, she's kind of perfect. Okay, let's go. I'm going to tell you about deodorant, and this is not sponsored, okay? This is a word of warning. I've been using quote-unquote natural deodorant, your natives and your wilds of the world, for a long time, and I like them. So recently, I wanted to try this Louie deodorant. It's like a paste that's supposed to last 72 hours, and that's what was interesting to me. How good does this work? Not good. At least for me. I'm stinky within a couple hours. Like stinky. I'm not actually usually stinky, contrary to popular belief. So, at least for the armpits, not a fan. You're welcome. Did y'all know that I used to be a makeup girly? That's right. I was watching the YouTube videos. I was buying the palettes. I, unfortunately, felt like I couldn't leave the house without wearing makeup. Looking back at that Kathleen, I just want to give her a hug. And you know, that was never something someone told me growing up. Like, I didn't have a figure in my life saying, well, you're not acceptable unless you're wearing makeup. It's what ladies do. It was more so when I first tried makeup for the first time, probably like in middle school or something. I was like, oh, this makes me look pretty. This makes me look acceptable. And people, unfortunately, treat me better when I wear it. It kind of became de facto at one point. I didn't question it, but I don't know. In recent years, probably the last 5 to 7 years, I've reflected, you know, as you do, as you age. And this goes along with personal style as well. I tried to think about, well, what do I like? What do I want? And ultimately, sometimes I want to wear it and sometimes I don't. And I don't want to feel differently about myself in either of those situations. The same thing with personal style. How do I want to feel? I want to feel like myself, and I want to look at how I style my clothes and think of it like design or an art piece instead of how do I look most socially acceptable. So sometimes I want to wear makeup as art and design on my face. Sometimes I don't want to wear it at all, and that's okay. You're okay. You're acceptable. You're good. You're cool. You're very stinky, but not in the my deodorant doesn't work kind of way. You're stinky in the I don't give a crap what society wants me to do. I'm just gonna be me kind of way. And we all know that's a good thing. Anyways, on with the day. Hi, I'm being very sick and twisted and nasty right now because I'm shirking my yard work duties. Gus is out there working all alone because I wanted to come in and hang out with you guys and show you what I got from the Discovery Shop. I filmed the Discovery Shop thrifting clips a month ago and I've been waiting to show you. So I didn't get a ton of items. We're trying to be mindful, always, but I got bulky items. The bulkiest of which I think are the best part, fabric. I would really love to use this vintage seed packet fabric. Vintage as in the pattern looks vintage. I don't know if the fabric is actually vintage. Joan Kessler of Concord Fabrics, Inc. Crafted with pride in the USA. Okay, I'd love to use this to make something similar to what I mentioned, the Tyler McGillivray seed packet dress. Maybe some sort of like little corset or stay. A cute bodice moment for fall, because this has late summer, early fall energy. And there's quite a bit of it. And then horse tapestry fabric. Look how beautiful these little horses are. They look like they were painted. Well, obviously they were painted originally. They're very painterly is what I'm trying to say. And one is blue and one is brown. Which reminds me, last night I went to go see it was like the 85th anniversary, I think, of The Wizard of Oz. And I went to go see it in this beautiful historic theater called the Ohio Theater. Very creative. And man, they really dyed those horses, huh? I totally forgot that I even got this. I think this was a last minute addition to my cart. The tiniest, funniest little pouch. I love the shape. I love this little handle. For some reason, it makes me think that like this is supposed to hang on something, perhaps. Not sure, but you know what I want to do? Yes, paint on it, correct. Isn't that such a fun shape? $5. Discovery Shop did give me credit for this shopping trip. Thank you for fueling my habit, Discovery Shop. Man, I should have dug into this sooner. I could have been wearing all this stuff. Okay, first we'll start with the simple clothing item. Everything I got is cream or black or white. Very demure, very sensible. First things first, little high neck tank top from Banana Republic. Nothing special, but you know I'll wear it to tatters. Second, what we like to call an upscale basic. What does this look like? Who's to say, but when you put it on the body, it makes sense, okay? Just a cute little classy off the shoulder top that's extremely comfy so that when you wear it to a nice dinner, you eat as much as you want, no constriction. All right, finally, I did get the Squiggly Wiggly evening dress. I couldn't be stopped, okay? This is just such a great base for all kinds of crafting opportunities. What if all the Squiggly Wigglies were vines and we add a bunch of flowers? What if we spray paint it? What if we, oh, there's too many ideas. But I love the fit. Might need a little tailoring to suit me just right. What if we add even more Squiggly Wigglies with rickrack or ribbon? Ooh, calm down, calm down. And then finally, this is my treasure. This is my treasure. This cute little transparent cardigan. It's so delicate. It has this layer of gauzy fabric on the inside to give it a little more structure so it's not just like slumped against your body. And also it gives you something to sweat on so you don't discolor the fabric on the outside, which is very thoughtful of them. Really nice satiny lining where the buttons go so they don't pull the delicate knitting / crocheting. Knit covered buttons. What a thoughtful piece. And it's the perfect length that I like, light enough to wear when it's hot out. Big fan, big fan. This was a little more pricey. It was $25 for a beautiful vintage piece. It's a steal. Well, what'd you think? I think, and maybe wishful thinking, but I sense a chill in the air. I hear crackling leaves. Spooky season approaches, which is exceedingly exciting to me. And I was recently rewatching some of my old fall thrifting videos and crafting videos, and I was really getting in the spooky spirit. If you want to do that, I guess I could link one up here. Now I'll put some in the description box if you want to get in the fall mood as well. And I think we're going to be doing some fun crafty videos coming up. Less hauls and more balls, as in we're going to have a ball making stuff. Maybe upcycling some things. That's not really new to my channel, it's just what sounds most fun right now. So if you enjoyed hanging out with me at the thrift store and you'd like to hang out with me again, please feel free to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. I upload most weeks, and if I'm not here, I'm usually over on Instagram at kathleenillustrated if you want to get some behind the scenes peeks. Be gone. Also, it was National Thrift Store Day, I think, yesterday. So let me know if you celebrated by braving the crowds, because usually there's like 50% off sales on those days. Honestly, not my favorite day to thrift because of said human contact via crowds. But let me know if you scored anything cool. And isn't every day National Thrift Store Day? Let me know what you've been reading. Let me know if you're sick of summer, or if you're in the southern hemisphere, maybe you're sick of winter. I'm gonna get out of here. I can shirk my yard work duties no longer. So I'll see you next week. I love ya. You're stinky, and so am I, because that deodorant doesn't really work. Bye. Bye. Bye.